Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get rid of the no importance volume found and the scene is too large that the automatically synthesized volume will not yield good results. Now basically I'll just close this window. So what this means is that there's no Lightmass importance volume in the scene. So it's saying this is a relatively big-ish scene, probably because it's got a lot of foliage in and whatnot, and you can see that the colours look a bit odd, and what it's basically saying is that it's tried to build the scene. When you've clicked build, it's tried to build the lighting, but because there's so much going on, it doesn't know where to focus the lighting and the lighting quality. So if we just go over here, and what a lot of, say, game artists, game creators, etc., will do on scenes that, probably 100 times bigger than this, is they'll have something similar to Lightmass imported volumes depending on the engine. So if we just type in our mode here, Lightmass, and you've got the Lightmass importance, so we'll drag that in. What they would usually do is they would say we've got this path here, they would set the Lightmass focused on areas that the player would be, so they would be focused walking down here, can't get in the forest, so there's no real point getting all the lighting perfect in there, because they're not going to see it. So what we'll do is we just drag it out over here on the right, so we can see here it's encapsulating this area in a little yellow square, so we line that up, and as you can see here it's got our whole path. Now what that will do is when we hit build is it will focus all the lighting on there, getting it lovely, looking nice, etc., and it doesn't worry so much about what's around it. From what I understand, it still does it, but all the details within this cube. Now for me, I'll just get rid of this. I do it slightly different just for this scene. Changes depending on the pack that I'm creating, is I just encompass this in the whole Lightmass importance volume. Where is it? There we go. As you can see here, I knew the values already. It's encompassed it in. Now the rendering, build time or rendering time for this was about 5 minutes. When I put this in, it takes it down to a minute, and it sorts out all of these odd little weirdnesses in the textures here on the foliage and whatnot. You see the green grass is very odd looking, and yeah, so hopefully that helps to get that will also get rid of that error that we had in our message log. It's currently still there because I haven't hit build, so it'll get rid of this no importance volume. So just remember that it helps improve lighting quality and build times, which is obviously massively important when working. If it helps, please give a like and maybe subscribe. So thanks a lot.